Today I'm taking a look at the Furick starter kit. This is for the 17, 18, and 26 torch. So if you got one of those torches, this will work with it. You can see I'm missing one here, and that is because I've got it on my torch right now. This is the BBW. It is one heck of a cup. Basically, if you want to cheat and you want to make sure that all your welds look good, then this is the cup that you want to use for that. Now, originally I was under the impression that this was going to have that tungsten guard on here, but unfortunately it doesn't. So this is the one that comes with just the cup, but it does not have the guard. So the set does come with 3 sets of collets. So we got our 1/16, our 3/32, and our 1/8. And they are all diffused, but the most important thing is it has this ring cut out there so that we can actually put one of these O-rings on it. Most of these collet bodies, they don't actually have that, so they're just threaded on there. You put the O-ring on and then it just kind of sits on top of those threads. So this is a much better design in my opinion, because you can see that O-ring actually makes a seal on this BBW cup. For the other cups, they just kind of slide right on. Just like that. So nice and easy. And also a very, very good seal, so you don't have to worry about any expensive argon leaking out the back. You can see it does come with a couple of back caps. We got a handful of other cups, depending on the type of project you're working on. We got our seal, and we got a couple of these screen diffuser installers. If you ever try to install one of these things in a Pyrex cup, you'll find that they are a real pain. But with these things, they literally just push in. So it makes that much easier to get that not only in, but also straight. So yeah, overall, this is a very good kit. Oh, I should probably also mention that these collets, these are the wedge style collets, so these are not the split collets. That means these are going to last a lot longer just because they don't have that extra cut down the middle. It's going to allow it to wear and spin and bend. So that worked. That is pretty cool.